I have a GE profile dishwasher with a wooden front panel. How do I remove the front panel so I can replace the pull handle?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So to start, the entire front panel must be removed. To do this, unplug the dishwasher or flip the circuit breaker off to the dishwasher. Open the door and remove all the screws going down vertically around the border of the inner door liner. The front panel will pull off. There will be a couple of screws going through the front panel into the wood panel from the inside. Remove these and then the front wood panel pull straight up, forward, and off of the front panel. Hello again. I'm just following up because I haven't heard back from you and I see this question is still open. Is there anything else I can help you with?
I will try the procedure you recommend on Monday. I tried a bit today and have a problem in that the screws are very tight and the heads are starting to strip. Any suggestions on how to loosen the screws?
Alright, good luck. There really isn't a trick to removing the screw, but some may go all the way through into the wood panel, which is making them difficult to remove.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.